Mumbai is a city built beside the sea. From above, its enormous urban landscape stretches along the Arabian Sea in one of India's most dramatic settings. And few views capture Mumbai better than Marine Drive. This sweeping boulevard curves around the waterfront beside the heart of the city. From elevated perspectives, its famous arc traces the edge of the Arabian Sea. Skyscrapers and historic neighborhoods rise behind it. As the coastline continues south, another extraordinary side of Mumbai appears. The Colaba Peninsula reaches toward the harbour at the southern end of the city. And beside the water stands Mumbai's most recognizable monument. The Gateway of India rises dramatically above the harbour. Built in the early 20th century, its enormous stone arch has become one of the defining symbols of Mumbai. Directly beside it stands another landmark. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel dominates the waterfront with its distinctive dome and grand historic facade. Together, the Gateway and Taj create one of Mumbai's most famous scenes. Boats fill the harbour while ferries travel across the water beyond them. And one of those ferry journeys leads to an extraordinary historic site. Elephanta Island sits in Mumbai harbour away from the intensity of the city. The island is famous for ancient rock-cut cave temples carved into the hillside. Inside, enormous sculptures emerge directly from the stone. The contrast with modern Mumbai across the harbour could hardly be greater. Back on the mainland, South Mumbai reveals another spectacular collection of architecture. Grand colonial-era buildings line avenues around the historic centre. Among the most impressive is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. Its elaborate Gothic revival architecture makes the railway station look almost like an enormous palace. From wider perspectives, towers and domes rise above the surrounding streets. And the station remains part of Mumbai's everyday life. Thousands of passengers move through it as trains connect neighborhoods across this vast city. Nearby, the historic Fort District contains even more remarkable architecture. Ornate facades, old commercial buildings and tree-lined streets reveal layers of Mumbai's past. Continue toward the Oval Maiden and another dramatic cityscape appears. Historic Gothic buildings stand along one side. Art Deco architecture lines the other. This remarkable architectural contrast has become one of Mumbai's defining urban landscapes. But the sea is never far away. Walk toward the waterfront and Marine Drive opens across the Arabian Sea once again. The promenade runs for kilometers beside the water. It is especially impressive when seen against Mumbai's dense skyline. Farther along the coast, Chowpatty Beach creates another famous waterfront scene. The broad stretch of sand sits directly beneath the city. As evening approaches, the shoreline becomes increasingly lively. Families gather beside the water while food vendors begin serving local favorites. Beyond the beach, Malabar Hill rises above the coastline. This elevated part of Mumbai provides a greener contrast to the dense streets below. Nearby, the hanging gardens offer views toward the city and Arabian Sea. And from these higher areas, Mumbai's extraordinary geography becomes much clearer. The city stretches along narrow land surrounded by water. Dense neighborhoods, towers and historic districts seem to continue almost without end. Yet Mumbai is not defined only by its scale. Its energy comes from what happens at street level. And one of the best places to begin experiencing that side of the city is Colaba. Around Colaba Causeway, shops, cafes, street stalls and historic buildings create a completely different perspective on Mumbai. Here, the monumental waterfront begins giving way to the fast-moving city experienced by millions of people every day. Colaba is one of the easiest neighborhoods to explore on foot. Its busy streets mix old architecture, restaurants, shops and everyday Mumbai life. Walk north and Kala Ghoda offers another change of atmosphere. This compact cultural district is known for galleries, museums and some of South Mumbai's most attractive heritage buildings. The Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya is one of its major landmarks. Its distinctive dome rises among gardens near the historic center. Nearby, the streets around Fort reward simply wandering. Old facades stand beside cafes, bookshops and busy commercial lanes. But Mumbai's street life becomes even more intense around its markets. Crawford Market has been part of the city for generations. Inside and around it, produce, spices and countless everyday goods create a rush of color and movement. For another completely different experience, head toward Chor Bazaar. This famous market district is filled with antiques, furniture and an extraordinary variety of second-hand objects. Yet food may be the easiest way to understand Mumbai's personality. Street stalls appear across the city serving inexpensive local favorites. Vada pav is perhaps Mumbai's most famous quick bite. The spicy potato filling inside a bread roll is simple, filling and unmistakably local. Pav bhaji is another Mumbai classic. A rich vegetable mixture is served with buttery bread and usually disappears very quickly. For something lighter, try bhel puri. This crunchy mixture of puffed rice, chutneys and vegetables is especially associated with Mumbai's street food culture. And the waterfront remains one of the best places to combine food with atmosphere. Return to Chowpatty as the day begins to cool. The beach becomes busier while the city starts glowing behind it. But Mumbai also contains quieter places hidden within its enormous urban landscape. Banganga Tank sits in the Malabar Hill area surrounded by temples and old buildings. Its historic water tank feels remarkably removed from the modern city nearby. Farther north, Mumbai changes again. Bandra combines residential streets, cafes, shopping and some of the city's most popular waterfront areas. The Bandstand Promenade looks across the Arabian Sea. Nearby, the remains of Bandra Fort provide another coastal viewpoint. And stretching dramatically across the water is the Bandra-Worli Sea Link. This enormous cable-stayed bridge has become one of modern Mumbai's most recognizable structures. From the waterfront, its towers and cables form a striking contrast with the open sea. Continue farther north and another surprising landscape appears. Sanjay Gandhi National Park protects a vast area of greenery within metropolitan Mumbai. Forested hills and lakes feel almost impossible beside one of the world's largest urban areas. Inside the park are the ancient Chhatrapati Caves. These rock-cut Buddhist caves were carved into the hills over many centuries. They reveal another layer of history far removed from Mumbai's famous colonial architecture. But as evening approaches, the coastline calls again. Marine Drive becomes one of the most atmospheric places in the city after sunset. Streetlights trace the enormous curve of the bay. From elevated viewpoints, that glowing arc creates the famous Queen's Necklace. It is one of Mumbai's defining nighttime views. The city skyline rises behind it while traffic flows along the waterfront. And the Arabian Sea becomes a dark horizon beyond the lights. Mumbai can feel overwhelming when experienced only through its traffic and crowds. But from the waterfront, its scale becomes strangely beautiful. The Gateway of India reflects the city's historic relationship with the harbour. Marine Drive reveals its extraordinary coastal setting. The Sea Link represents the modern metropolis continuing to expand. And between those landmarks are markets, temples, railway stations, neighborhoods and food traditions filled with everyday life. That combination is what makes Mumbai so compelling. It can be monumental one moment and intensely personal the next. You can explore ancient caves, grand architecture and crowded markets within the same day. Then finish beside the Arabian Sea as one of the world's great cities lights up along the coast. Mumbai does not reveal itself through a single landmark. Its real attraction is the extraordinary energy connecting everything together. And once the lights of Marine Drive begin curving around the bay, it becomes easy to understand why this city leaves such a powerful impression.